Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Casino. Today we are going to trade in gold versus US dollar, which is the favorite pair of all traders. I have deposited $4,000 in my account, which we will grow with proper risk management. I have got good buy trade opportunity here. I will increase the lot size. Here is the 0.10 lot that we will trade with. Our trade is running in negative, which is not a good thing. Our $100 is in minus. Let me explain to you why I placed a buy trade. If we see, the market was falling down for the last few days. That's when we got the buy opportunity here. First, take a trend line which will be placed on the lower high. It will act as trend line resistance. All will connect the dot of higher low well so that our analysis is perfect. If you take the trade after doing the right analysis, then you will always be in profit. Always maintain your psychology and risk management along with trading, by which you will be called a successful trader. Gold versus US dollar, very high volatile pair, in which it is very important to have proper risk management to trade. Here's a fake breakout because the candle is closed only 20 to 30% from the trend line. The candle should have closed above the 70 to 80% trend line, then here would be the real breakout. Take another trend line which will be placed at the lower low, by which our trend channel will be completed. Connect all the lower low points properly, from which we will see the perfect trend channel. The market has been going down for a long time. We can see a good bullish momentum. If this happens, then we will be in good profit. Now we will create supply and demand area with the help of rectangle tool. The market has broken the resistance area. At this place also break trend line, which is a high probability trade. If we see the past of this area, so the market has gone above by making it support multiple times. I will take one more trade here. I am reducing the lot size to 0.05 lot with proper risk management. Okay Gus, we have completed our analysis. Our analysis is perfect. Let's see, it is called market because no one knows it will be called market, not even me. There is a high percentage chance that the market will go up from here because the market has broken the big trend line. You all take trades with patience. All you need to know before taking a trade, what will be my stop loss and target point. Here the market has gone straight and has also broken the trend line with high momentum. This is the real breakout. My stop loss will be below supply demand area. If the market falls below this resistance line, I will close all trades. I have put a stop loss, is currently trading in minus $300. Let's see the market. Our target is achieved after 17 hours 43 minutes. It is a long time for intraday trading. You have to have a lot of patience until your goal is achieved. We took a trade at this place. Market went up a bit and came down for retest. The market has achieved our target by retesting it well. Here our analysis was correct. Our profit is running at $1,662 and the target has also been achieved. I am closing all my trades. We have grown $4,000 account $5,653. If we see, the account has grown by 41%. The market is up 120 pips from where we took the trade. Here we are getting another good opportunity for buy trade. The market has reversed multiple times at this level. And the market has broken this resistance 45 minutes before. High probability chances market can go up by making it support. Here's where the resistance becomes support strategy will work. The market has started moving upwards by forming support against the resistance. I am taking 0.08 lot here.
Wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain.
With the same setup, we have taken a buy trade from the proper risk management here. Our stop loss will be below the supply-demand area, as usual. Maybe the market could come down a bit more for the second retest. Our trade is running in positive.
Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
We have put stop loss here. The risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. If we have this trade loss, then we will still be in profit because the risk to reward ratio of our first trade was 1 to 2.
Damn.
Market will go up from here as market is in bullish momentum since last few hours.
A few moments later.
Achieved this target in just 3 hours 4 minutes. It was a high probability trade. The market has respect to our setup. Our analysis was correct, due to which our target has also been achieved.
Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing.
Our $2,062 profit moving the market has gone up a lot. May come down for a rate correction. I am closing all my trade.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
We made $4,000 to $7,530, which has increased our account by 88%. The market is up 110 pips from where we took the trade. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. So raise the flag and do the preparation.